Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and to this video. Welcome to my Inktober series. Well, actually ink and watercolor series, but celebrating Inktober. And today, as always, I will be using this sketchbook and I will link it down in the description box. This is from Hahnemuhle. It's actually 200 GSM. And today is October 3rd, so we are drawing our third ink and watercolors. And for today, I was thinking we could be doing an ice cream, and I did do a couple of sketches here just to see. I think I will pick this one up, so we will do this one. And well, for the ink pens, I will be using these ink pens from Etcher, number 01, 03, and 05. I will see maybe not all of them, but these are the ones that I have prepared. It is from Etcher of 16 ink pens, and actually very nice selection of ink pens if you are looking for one. And also I will be using these watercolors from Viviva color sheets. I do love them, very vibrant. So you just need a little pinch of that. So those are the watercolors I'm going to use for the brushes. Probably this little bit larger one, some smaller ones, maybe a detail one, I'm not sure. I will see later on when we start our painting process. Also some pencil, eraser, and I guess that's basically everything we are going to need. So let's get started. I will turn it around. You can turn it around, but I will just slightly tilt it to make it so to be able to do a little bit bigger ice cream cone, and it's gonna be like that. This is the center, so just going like that. So as you could have seen, I did one curve here and then marked the center, drew my line, and then connected everything with that line. This one is not actually nice. Maybe I could have done that corn a little bit longer, so that's what I'm gonna do up to here, like that. Yes, I like that better. So the top, you can see we're gonna do a little bit wiggly, make it a circular but not completely circular, like that. This one a little bit outside, like that, and we have one little cute cherry on top, like that, but we won't draw it in the entire way. It's gonna sit in our ice cream, so just add that, and also a couple of more lines and some details, but the details we'll be doing a little bit later on. A little stem to our cherry, and we have from here, it's going to be a sweet corn, ice cream corn, so you know this one has that breakage. You can see where it was well put together. So that's it. That's our that is our sketch, and I will just move straight on to number 05 ink pen and do the go over our markings, and just we have here that do one little bit thicker part, that, so it's gonna go a little bit upwards like that, so to make it look it is outside, so like that. And then we have our ice cream, like that. Here's some I'm gonna make it look that ice cream is going over our corn. So just a couple of details and dots, maybe some nuts here, like that, and then a cherry, and there you go. That's our corn, and I'm gonna do a couple of lines here also. For the corn. There you go, and then here few ones like that. There you go. So that's it for now. I will just erase my pencil drawing now so I can see a little bit clearer my sketch, my inks. Just be careful that your ink pen is waterproof. That is important. So when we start using watercolors, actually you don't have to use watercolors, you can just finish it off with ink. But if you're using watercolors on top, we do want it to be waterproof, of course. So now I will just add some shading, and we'll do a little bit of shading here. Like that, and some also on this side, like that, and a little bit just going all the way. Like that, and I'm gonna make this side in shadow, so I'm gonna do shading here. Like that. So also some of the shadows here along that crease. And now also I'll do some shading here. That's gonna be the crease of our ice cream, and here also some shading here beneath the cherry, like that. Some here, just smaller ones, like that. Maybe some shading on our cherry also, like that. So I'm just looking where I want to add a little bit more shades, and I do want to add them here also on the bottom part of our ice cream, the very thin ones. Like that. This could be very well enough, don't you think? I don't want to go overboard with that shading, so I'm gonna stop. Just here. add maybe just a little bit more here, just beneath the ice cream, like that, to make a distinction. So that's it. So I will now use a little bit of yellow ochre here. And there you go, just add it here. And then paint in my ice cream cone. Just get the excess watercolor off a little bit more here. We do have some lines here, so maybe just make them slightly different, like that. And here some darker shades, like that. And now I will also get a little bit of burnt sienna, actually a burnt umber. This is a burnt umber. Just gonna get it here and add that burnt umber just beneath our corn here, where the darkest parts are, and then here some. There you go, maybe some view here on our lines. And my paper is quite wet, so it bleeds. Like that. And here on the bottom. There you go. That's gonna be our ice cream. Just beneath the edge here, maybe a little bit darker, like that. There you go. Now I will just get some clean water and do some splatters. Pick up that paint I use right now and do a few splatters like that. And there you go. And now we will do the ice cream. And ice cream, well, I have here some vermilion. Just looking for that vermilion. There it is. I'm gonna paint cherry in that vermilion. Wow, very, very vibrant. So add a little bit of, I have some magenta here. Just gonna add a little bit of magenta here on the bottom to our cherry, like that. And then to the stem I have some greens here, so I'll just use a little bit of that green. It's going all the way up. Don't want that. I want a little bit of like that. Nice. So I'm just thinking which color I do want my maybe we can make it to be maybe some, I was thinking of doing it pink, but now that I did this pink, I'm just thinking to myself which color I do want to make it, like that ice cream. Maybe a little bit lighter pink. Just a little bit of magenta here. Make it quite light, like that. Not gonna paint the entire. And then just get a little bit more magenta. Here, those parts that are having those darker, those shading, I'm gonna use a little bit more. Love that. A little bit smaller, maybe brush. to add in those details. And we do have some here dots, so I will just use some black. This is slate black, just to tap in those dots we did. And these color shades are just perfect to go also if you are painting somewhere outside. Great thing to carry with you to paint. There you go. Actually, I love that. So I'm just gonna bring that a little bit downwards, that magenta. Also, and just move it slightly here. Nice. I love that. There you go. Just a little bit splatters with that magenta also. And let's not, just a little bit more. And let's not overcomplicate this. As I said earlier, this one will stay a little bit looser. Just a little bit of that yellow going like that. There you go. So I will now get that, my ink pen, and here it doesn't fit, so I will write here, that's ice cream, October 3rd. There you go. That's our ice cream done. So this was the previous one, coffee, and now some ice cream, and the one before was some mushrooms. So if you wanna maybe, you know, join in and try a few of those videos, sketching and inking things, well, just join me. I would love that. And all the videos are in a playlist, so it's down in the description box. And again, well, I loved this one. This was a fast one and I loved it. And if you do like this, please hit the like button, share it, comment, make sure you join me in the next video tomorrow. And well, I guess if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Maybe consider joining my channel. That's that join next to the subscribe. And well, guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.